Neakasa M1 Smart, Open-Top Cat Litter Box, a smart solution for cat owners. Open-top design. Freedom and comfort for your cat. Close black lens bracket. Traditional cat litter boxes and side-opening self-cleaning options available in the market often have many common problems. These include overpowering and unpleasant odors and safety concerns. The M1's open-top design provides a spacious and stress-free area, encouraging natural behavior and easy adaptation for cats of all sizes. It's designed with your cat's instincts and safety in mind, offering an open and welcoming space for their comfort. Open black lens bracket. Self-cleaning and pull and wrap waste system. Hygiene redefined. Close black lens bracket. The Neakasa M1's self-cleaning ensures a fresh and clean environment for your cat after every use. Forget the old ways of manual scooping. Embrace the ease of automatic cleanliness. Say goodbye to messy and smelly waste disposal. The Neakasa M1's innovative pull and wrap system ensures that waste is enclosed in an odor-blocking bag with just a pull, making litter box maintenance a breeze and keeping your home smelling fresh. Open black lens bracket. Extended capacity for busy owners. Close black lens bracket. With a large capacity for both waste, 11.23 L, and litter, 7.17 L, the Neakasa M1 is perfect for pet parents on the go. It offers up to 14 days of worry-free operation, ideal for short trips away or busy schedules. Open black lens bracket. Inclusive design for multi-cat households. Close black lens bracket. The M1 is a one-size-fits-all solution, accommodating cats from 2.2 pounds to a hefty 33 pounds. Its inclusive design and special kitten mode ensure even the smallest members of your feline family are catered to, making it perfect for households with multiple cats. Open black lens bracket. Keep your companion safe and stay connected with the Neakasa app. Close black lens bracket. The M1 automatic cat litter box is equipped with 5 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors that accurately detect the activity of cats inside or even pressing the lower base. Any cat contact occurring during the operation will lead to a pause to ensure cat's safety. Effortlessly monitor your cat's bathroom habits, track litter levels and learn when to add litter, and remotely control operation modes at your fingertips. Open black lens bracket. Reduced litter tracking for cleaner spaces. Close black lens bracket. Equipped with a soft, clean mat, the M1 reduces litter tracking, keeping your floors pristine. Step into a world where your cat's cleanliness extends beyond the litter box, ensuring a cleaner, more enjoyable home for everyone. Open black lens bracket. Silent operation for peaceful nights. Close black lens bracket. Designed to operate silently, the Neakasa M1 ensures that your home remains a serene oasis, day and night. Its whisper-quiet performance means you and your cat can enjoy undisturbed rest, even during late-night visits to the litter box.